What I'm spotting here, we got a Tesla semi. Where are they going? There's nothing. Oh, extra. They're pulling a normal trailer right now. So it's not anything specific to Tesla right now. It's just a normal Tesla semi going somewhere. Looks like we're driving into some fog here. Wonder why it's so foggy. It's 75 degrees out here. I don't know, is that fog or is there some kind of car blew up or something? What is going on here? It's like a lot of fog. Nope, it was just right there. That was weird. What was that?